Hey y'all, Lord, I feel like I was being so rude in that previous video, but anyway, girl, this is my little head scarf I created a while ago, and I'm gonna wrap my head because girl, it's getting cold out here. How I feel where you at? Anyway, this is, I'm gonna put this on here. Give me a little red riding hood right quick. Anyway, so I'm gonna hold this with both my hands and guide it up like this here. Now you can tie it if you want to in a knot, but I like to just go ahead and start wrapping my hand, girl, because I gotta get ready to go. And yeah. I run some errands. So this is it right here. And we gonna, oh, come on, girl. We gonna wrap her right here. And that is what we gonna call a good time. What's that? Today Wednesday? Y'all have a wonderful Wednesday. My plans is to do the same thing.